Good morning. Hi, how are you all children? So in last class, we have started with the second lesson all together EVS standard 5th. Right? So we have discussed this picture illustration. In last class, we have discussed this picture illustration. Now based on these pictures, there are few questions over here. Look at here. There are few questions. Total number of questions are 11, right? Now we'll discuss all the questions with answers. Okay, now look at the first question. Side by side, you have to look at all these pictures one by one again and again. For answering these questions, you have to look at these pictures. Now see first picture, right? Have you minutely observed all these pictures in your previous class? Okay, now first question. Where would Aryan's first house be? See, look at here. When he came to Ahmedabad, he was not having any house. So where you find in this picture his first house would be? So Aryan's first house would be in the one of the cement pipe near the road. See, there are two cement pipes. So out of these two, he chose one pipe and he started living in that pipe. So his first house would be in the cement pipe. It's a big cement pipe, see, right? Second question. Which facility would Aryan have first? Now see, if this child is living in a cement pipe, so what facilities he is going to get? Look at here. Is there any special facilities he is getting? No. So when he came to Ahmedabad, he was having no home. So he started living in this pipe, right? So he cooked his food. Look at here. He is cooking his food, right? He is sleeping also in the pipe. So he was not having any facilities required to live a comfortable life. Now we all are living in a proper house. We are living in a proper house. We get all the facilities. We get water at house. We get electricity. We are getting food. Your mother, father is preparing food. They are working for you to get all the facilities needed for our comfortable life. But this Aryan, when he came to Ahmedabad, he was not having proper house, so he started living in this pipe. And what facility? He is not getting any particular facilities to live a comfortable life. Third, why would another boy have joined Aryan? So look at here. This is the Aryan with the red shirt and the another boy with the green shirt. So when he came to, other boy also came to Ahmedabad like Aryan. And he was also not having house to live. So he joined the Aryan. He joined the Aryan and he started living with the Aryan. So this boy also came to Ahmedabad. He was not having house. He joined the Aryan. He started living with the Aryan. Look at the fourth question. What may another boy have brought with him? So क्या लाया रहेगा उसके साथ वो? What the another boy have brought with him? See, look at in his house. In his hand. Look at here. So the boy must have brought with him big or very long piece of cloth and maybe some food, right? Fifth question. Who will be benefited due to both the boys being together? Now both the boys are together. दोनों साथ में है. So who will be benefited? किसको फायदा होगा? Both the boys are together. So who will be benefited? So both the boys will be benefited by living together. दोनों को एक दूसरे का सहारा मिलेगा. So दोनों को फायदा होगा. Not one particular boy will get benefits, but both the boys will be benefited because they are living together. They can share their work. So both of them will get benefits. Next question. Sixth. What other facilities would both the friends get now? Now both the friends started living together. So what other facilities they will get? क्या facilities उनको मिलेगा? So both the friends can now live a better life. Now they are getting each other's company, so they will live a better life. And by using the shade, see they have made the shade. Can you see here? They have made the shade with the cloth and with the stick they have arrange this cloth. So both of this friend can now live a better life by using the shade and the sewage pipe they are using as a house. They can live together, they work together, and due to this, both of their work also get distributed. So they can live a happy life here. See the seventh question. What would they do now to get more facilities? Now और ज़्यादा facilities के लिए वो लोग क्या काम करेंगे अभी? So they have to earn money. To get the facilities, they have to earn money for getting more facilities. ज़्यादा facilities चाहिए तो उनको काम करना पड़ेगा. बैठे बैठे तो कोई उनको कुछ दे के नहीं जाएगा. So to get more facilities, they have to earn money. Next, 8th question. Where would the boys buy vegetables from? कहाँ से buy करेंगे वो लोग vegetables? So from where your mother get vegetables? Yes, from the vegetable vendor. So these boys also will get the vegetables from the costermonger. That is vegetable vendor who sells vegetables. See the 9th question. Which things of nature would have been utilized by both the friends? क्या यूज किया उन्होंने? नेचर में से क्या बॉयज ने, ये दोनों बॉयज आर्यन एंड हिज फ्रेंड, व्हाट दे हैव यूज फ्रॉम द नेचर? क्या यूज किया? देखो, दे आर कुकिंग फूड, सो दे आर गेटिंग वेजिटेबल्स फ्रॉम द नेचर. दे आर गेटिंग दिस सीमेंट पाइप इज ऑन द लैंड, सो दे आर यूजिंग लैंड. They are cooking for drinking water. They are using water. So land, water, then wood, air. They have utilized many things which we get from the nature. So हमें nature में से क्या क्या मिलता है? Air. We breathe air. We get food from the nature like vegetables, pulses, grains, fruits. Like then they are using water also for drinking, for cooking purpose, for other household chores. They need water, so they are using water also. They are using wood for cooking this food. So they have used many facilities from the nature, which we get from the nature. 10th question. What are the essential things required for a man to live? कौन सी जरूरी चीज है जो हमें जिंदा रहने के लिए चाहिए? आप सोचो, what things we need to live alive? Right, what we need? The basic necessities. Basic necessities, that means the things which is very necessary for our to live. So air, we breathe air. Without air we cannot survive. Then food. अगर आपको स्ट्रांग रहना है, आपको काम करना है, इफ यू हैव टू अर्न मनी एंड गो आउट, देन यू नीड फूड. तो आपको एनर्जी रहेगी एंड यू कैन लिव. देन सो एयर, फूड, वाटर. वाटर इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप सोचो, आपको थोड़े टाइम भी पानी ना मिले, थोड़े घंटों तक पानी ना मिले, थोड़े दिनों तक भी पानी ना मिले, सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव. सो एयर, वाटर एंड फूड आर बेसिक नेसेसिटीज टू सर्वाइव. एंड वन मोर थिंग, वी नीड शेल्टर. Shelter is also basic necessity. Why? Because it protects us from the heat, cold, right? From the rainy season. So shelter is also very essential. Then clothes, कपड़े भी चाहिए. So air, water and food, these are very necessary. And other necessities में clothes and shelter also comes. Okay. Now see the last question. How would these boys keep clear the area around their house? वो कैसे करते रहेंगे अपना एरिया क्लीन? देखो, वो जहाँ पे रह रहे तो अपना एरिया, जहाँ पे वो रह रहे ये सीमेंट पाइप, तो अपना सराउंडिंग एरिया कैसे क्लीन करेंगे? सो दे मस्ट हैव मेड समथिंग लाइक ब्रूम, झाड़ू जैसा कुछ लिया खरीदा होगा या बनाया होगा. एंड दे यूज टू कीप द सराउंडिंग एरिया क्लीन. सी, लुक एट अराउंड इन दिस पिक्चर. द सराउंडिंग एरिया नियर दैट सीमेंटेड पाइप इज वेरी क्लियर. That means they have cleaned the area with the proper broom and they are keeping their surroundings clean. So this is the story of the Aryan and his friend, and based on that we have done all the 11 questions answers. Right? Now look at the next picture. Here one example is given here. What is this? Right, this is a bed. This kind of bed you can see in villages. So what is it made up of? Yes, it is made up from wood. This is wood and this is a jute. This thread like structure, this is jute. So this bed is made from wood. Now from where the wood comes from? From tree. So wood comes from tree. And if it comes from tree, what is our primary duty to follow? So I shall maintain the tree, because we are getting wood from the tree, so you should maintain the tree. Now look at this two picture, right? This picture and this. You have to write here. I'll show it on the board what to write. Now look at this picture. What do you observe in this picture? It's a complete meal in this thali, right? In this dish, food is there. Different types of food, rice, dal, sabji, roti, salads, right? Everything is there in this dish which we need, right? Now look at here on the board, right? This is the thali, the whole meal. What food is there inside this thali? Rice, pulses, vegetables, etc. Now from where we get the food? Yes, we get food from plants. आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा ये सब? राइस, पल्सेस, वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स you get from the plants. So what is our primary duty? So I shall grow and maintain plants. सिर्फ plants को grow करके नहीं छोड़ना है. You have to maintain also. So I shall grow and maintain plants. You have to write this 3 points in this page number 13 columns, right? Here you have to write these 3 points regarding this thali. Now look at the next. What are these? Frock, pen, these are cloths. So cloths, or you can say garments. So cloths woven from yarn. ये जो कपड़ा है वो किससे बनता है? थ्रेड में से, yarn में से. So cloths woven from yarn. And from where the yarn comes? From the plants. Cotton plants है, उसमें से मिलता है. Jute plant है, उसमें से yarn बनता है. So cloths woven from yarn, and yarn comes from plants. Now again these things are also we are getting from plants. So I shall grow and maintain plants, right? See, so many things we get from the plants. We get wood. So many fun things we can make from wood, like furniture. Then food, all kinds of food we get from the plants. And clothes and garments also we get from the plants. So it's our primary duty to grow and maintain plants. Okay. Now in next class we'll move on to next topic. Thank you.